There are so many accounting software options out there that it can be difficult to choose and implement the best one for your business. Thankfully, at Fusion CPA, we can make the process so much easier. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. Our team can help you choose the perfect software to meet your goals and drive growth. With decades of combined experience in both mainstream and niche software options, we're not just software pros, we're the experts. Whether you need help choosing a new program or integrating it with your existing system and other apps, switching from QuickBooks to NetSuite, setting up automation to do the heavy lifting to give your finance team a boost, need training or support, or even customize modules and dashboards, we've got you covered. There's more. Because our CPAs have experience in a range of different industries, from retail to e-commerce to law and engineering, we can also partner with your team and provide a range of controller services. We have an extensive list of recommended software options, which we'll break down by category. For accounting software, depending on your business size and needs, we recommend QuickBooks, Xero, Sage Intacct, Acumatica, and NetSuite. And if you need business intelligence software, Power BI has you covered. For expense management, you can never go wrong with Bill.com, Expensify, and Tipalti. Great payroll options include ADP, Gusto, and Deal. And if you have to get a handle on inventory management, we suggest Connected Inventory Performance. We cover all the specifics of these platforms on our website. Be sure to check that out for more information. Once you know what software you need, you're ready for a seamless integration. Our team can optimize and customize your chosen software to make sure you can maximize its capabilities. How do we do this? We use a tried and tested 4-step process. Step 1, discovery. First, we need to know what you need. That means addressing your current situation and challenges as well as your future plans. Step 2, diagnostic. Next, our team will go over your data to see what can be improved to get a clear picture of your finances. Step 3, implementation. This is where the fun starts. We'll plan and execute the integration according to your needs and timescale, and we'll offer training and support the whole way. And step 4, maintenance. This might be the part that you hate, but we love it. We help you maintain the highest level of financial management. And if you're still in a jam, we can step in and partner with you to take over certain roles. So what are you waiting for? If you need help with your accounting software, we're just a call away.